This is going completely mental and is breaking Facebook at the moment. Now, I spotted this on another page somewhere. I can't remember where it was. But what I did, I actually found this photograph. Let me show you it. But unlike the other person that posted it, I actually did a bit of research into the photograph. I looked up this text. I looked at this text in the corner, and it says Klondike YT. Now, Klondike is an area of, as it says here, an area in the Yukon territory in Canada. And this picture was taken over 100 years ago, about 110, 12 years ago or something like that. And it looks like Greta Thunberg here. Now, of course, it isn't her, but people are going absolutely mental because it looks so much like her. But this is basically a kind of a social experiment I've done here to see how people would react to it. Because a lot of people saying, oh my God, that's reincarnation, or that's proof of time travel, like it suggests here. The girl on the left shows a remarkable likeness to a certain modern one. I didn't name her, of course. Is this evidence of time travel, or does it just prove that she has very generic facial features? Yes, that's basically it. And it may actually turn out that this person from over 100 years ago is related to her. We don't know who these people are exactly, what the name of this family is, but it may turn out that they came from the same part of the world, and she may be a distant relative of this person. But also, it also goes to sort of demonstrate that the public are kind of hypnotized by certain faces in the press and in the media, and they go crazy when they see anything that doesn't quite fit or match what they've been shown or told. And a lot of people have reacted quite weirdly to this. You'll see it all over all the different Facebook groups. So it's got a hell of a lot of shares and likes and stuff and comments, more so than my Mars stuff, because it's obviously a bit more current with her face on it. But it goes to show basically that there are only so many facial types, really, and that if you have someone of a similar age and build and the same sex and the same race, then they may well look pretty similar. I mean, there's no real mystery there at all. This was basically a critical thinking exercise that I put out there to see what people would say, and it's gone absolutely viral. But I thought you'd find that interesting anyway out there. So thanks for watching, everybody. Do come along to Mars Magazine. There's loads of new stuff coming up all the time. And also come along and check out my new channel, Space Detective 1 as well. You can link to that from my main channel here. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you soon.
But it's a mystery, and I don't like mysteries. Give me a bellyache, and I got a beauty right now.